Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to be back. A long time no see, I know. But in this month we are gonna spend a lot of time together because I have planned to upload new video every single day until December 25th, which means we are doing Vlogmas this year. Yes, I did Vlogmas like 2 years ago and it wasn't the best. And also I can promise that this year Vlogmas is going to be the best for sure, but I'm willing to try. In one way, this is like my idea of saying I'm so sorry to you guys because I didn't give like a shit about you and I didn't upload a new video for like probably 3 or 4 months. I don't even know. I have a dozen ideas for this year Vlogmas, but also I'm open for some of your ideas. If you have a new recipe or anything you wanna see me trying on, I'm up for that, I think. So welcome back to my channel once again and welcome to episode 1 of 2025 Vlogmas edition. At first I had an idea to decorate my kitchen in our first episode, but then I realized you can't decorate dirty kitchen, yeah? Also I'm gonna need like clean oven and everything in here clean for a lot of baking that we are planning on for this month. I know it's not like the most Christmassy and Vlogmasy idea for first theme of our episode, but it has to be done. Okay, so as you can see, my oven is dirty, like from the outside and also from the inside. As you can see, mama, zatvori oči. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know how I take that one out. So, I don't know how I'm going to take this one either. Oh, that's how. No, people, forgive me for this like close up. I'm too lazy to move my camera like 100 times. My oven has a like self-cleaning program that is going to do our drop. Okay, let's see about this. I used it like once and that's why I know this. 2 hours, oh f me. It is what it is. Okay, there it is now. It just turned on. You can like hear the wind from my oven. It's doing its work. I'm going to use this kitchen soap for dishwasher and hot water. Okay, so this one is done. Okay, so it's not spotless if you ask me, but it's clean enough. This third part of my kitchen, like this bottom part with drawers, I already organized. I'm going to show you that, don't you worry. Because I have a plan on making a lot of Christmas cookies and I had to like put them somewhere, so I first had to organize it. So it's all done here. So we are dusting this part and then we are going on this. Let's first take down this glassware and put it in the dishwasher. Perfect, it's going in. Friendly reminder, you guys, water your plants. Look at this beauty. I mean, I love flower. But flower doesn't love me. We won't talk about that now. I love these rooms. They're so cute. Cute little bottles. Oh, it's a beautiful day today. I'm so happy because of these shades and this sun. That is what is taking this kitchen on the next level, I think. And what I love about my kitchen. Oh, I don't know, my oven is making some strange voice and I can't fight it. I don't want to, okay? So, now it's time for these IKEA rails. Let's do them. I mean, guys, please shut up. Okay, guys, please, look at this. This one. This one was basil. I have to show you. And this one was, or kind of, it's still mint. This one, like I chop, it's like it's fighting, it's not giving up. It's cute, but it's also very ugly. But it doesn't matter, we are trying to save it. But look at this little fucker. Look at this. This is basil. I'm buying basil for like third time. And it just, I'm just keep killing it. What should I do? I'm watering it every day, every other day. I tried it all. And it's just, look at this. I don't like it. So we're gonna throw that in the garbage. Okay, now it's time for this whole coffee station to be cleaned. And my coffee maker is like absolute shit. Oh my god, look at this. I'm going to clean this one with vinegar. I'm just pour vinegar in it and turn on. Since it's our Christmas decoration going up tomorrow, I think it's time to finally move this little pumpkin. Okay, now it's time to organize this part of my kitchen, and you won't see it. Freaking angle. I don't know where to move my camera. I will probably put it on my kitchen island, or I won't. To be completely honest with you guys, I don't really know why I have here this like wooden box, or why I have here this metal thing. Okay, now we have more space and we can buy more beverages just for decoration here. I want to show you how I take care about black cutlery and stainless steel pots. Do you see this? This is washed in the dishwasher. Yeah, this one as well. Since I don't like those things, I'm buying a lot of vinegar. So now I have a little dish soap on my sponge. And now I'm gonna add some vinegar here. And you just scrub it for a moment. And you can do it once again and it's gonna be perfect. Okay, look how shiny this glass is. Don't forget to add vinegar next time in your dishwasher. For our second episode of Vlogmas, my plan is to decorate these kitchen shelves and like kitchen, basically whole kitchen. So yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Let me know what do you think about this type of the video. Is this too boring for you, or like I wanna know your thoughts. Yes, just hit me in the comments with them. Thanks for watching. I will see you tomorrow.